looks like I have a blurring filter on. If you've been living under a rock, then these images are probably new to you. These viral blush looks I have been dying to recreate. They are from Painted by Esther. She is insanely talented, but I'm really curious to see how this technique will look on somebody with hollow under eyes. I feel like all of the girls in the pictures that she has just have stunning smooth under eyes. I don't have that. Buckle in because we're about to use a lot of blush. I already have my contour and bronzer applied. First blush that I want to use, I want it to be very vibrant. This is She's That Girl. This is from Patrick Ta, and I'm really just going to apply this all on the cheek. I'm gonna drag it up underneath the eye. All of them just have a really beautiful ombre effect going on. Switch colors and use more of an orangey shade. This is shade Joy from Rare Beauty, and I'm gonna focus this one on the high points of the cheek. To get that really smooth, bright under eye, I'm gonna do this combo. Start with the Kosas color corrector. Then with Tarte Shape Tape, I'm gonna add this to the bottom. Now taking my sponge, start blending this up under the eye. I'm mainly blending in this area. With what's left, I'm gonna pinch my sponge, drag it up underneath the eye. Back in with that brush, and I'm just gonna start blending again. We're gonna go in with the third blush. This is Bliss from Rare Beauty. It's a matte baby pink shade. Blend over all of that. I want a powder that is brightening, so I'm taking Givenchy, and with a powder puff, I'm just setting the whole cheek and under eye. Add a little tiny bit to the under eye to bake. The second that I saw this look, I knew I wanted to use this Kylie blush. This is old. I honestly don't even know what shade it is because it's literally worn off the back. It's a really beautiful matte pink shade. I'm just gonna start tapping this over everything. Okay, I'm gonna dust off the bake so I don't get crusty. I went ahead and finished the rest of my makeup. What do we think? Do we like it? It's definitely a lot more than I'm used to, but I really like it. Let me know what you guys think and if you try out this blush technique.